Are you looking to bring back that just new and shiny look to all of your windows? Have you neglected those gutters, soffits and fascias for too long and suffering from block guttering? Do you have carpets or upholstery that have seen better days, such as a carpet or sofa with stains, or they're just not looking quite as hygienic and fresh as they used to? The truth is, whether your carpets or upholstery look dirty or not, there'll be hidden allergens and bacteria hiding in the fibres, and it's being breathed in by you and your family without you even knowing about it. Leave it to JK Cleaning Services, the #1 carpet, window and gutter cleaning business covering domestic and commercial premises throughout Coventry and surrounding areas. As a highly experienced and 5-star rated family-run cleaning company with over 30 years in the industry, we specialise in domestic and commercial for a wide range of needs. From bringing the shine back to your windows, to cleaning gutters and clearing the soffits, fascias and windows to ensure they're sparkling clean again, to providing a complete hygiene overhaul and stain removals on your carpets. With the leading equipment in the industry, as well as an extendable carbon fibre pole with powerful vacuums to clear gutters, and CCTV observation of your gutters from the ground, this all makes it easy to access difficult areas such as over conservatories and extensions, removing all of the lichen, dirt, grime and algae from your surfaces, helping bring back that just new look. Our staff are trained to the highest standards in the industry, and we come with full public liability insurance, giving you extra peace of mind. If you're ready to bring life back to that exterior surface, then you're ready for JK Cleaning Services. Visit the website or Facebook page for full details of all of the services available, or call our friendly team for more information and to book a free quote today.